Introduction: remotely accessing your Mac from Windows.
Need to control your Mac from a Windows PC? Free remote desktop tools make it possible to access your macOS device from anywhere. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up a remote desktop connection between your Windows and Mac systems using widely available, no-cost software solutions. Let's get started with everything you need to know.
Step 1. Prepare your Mac for remote access.
First, enable screen sharing on your Mac. Go to System Settings or System Preferences, then open the Sharing menu. Check the box for Screen Sharing or Remote Management. Make a note of your Mac's IP address, which appears in the Sharing window. This is what you'll connect to from your Windows PC later.
Step 2. Choose a free remote desktop tool.
Several free tools can bridge Windows and Mac, but the most popular are Chrome Remote Desktop and VNC. Chrome Remote Desktop works via your Google account, while VNC solutions like TightVNC and RealVNC connect using your Mac's built-in screen sharing. Download and install your chosen tool on both systems for best results.
Step 3. Set up Chrome Remote Desktop.
With Chrome Remote Desktop, install the extension from the Chrome Web Store on both your Windows PC and Mac. Follow the setup prompts to enable remote access on your Mac, ensuring you sign in with the same Google account. On your Windows PC, open Chrome and connect to your Mac using the displayed device list.
Step 4. Connect using VNC.
To use VNC, install a VNC client like TightVNC on your Windows PC. On your Mac, make sure screen sharing is enabled. Open TightVNC on your Windows computer and enter your Mac's IP address. When prompted, use your Mac username and password to connect. The Windows computer should now display your Mac's desktop.
Security and tips for smooth remote sessions.
For safety, always require a strong password for remote connections and only enable screen sharing when needed. Keep your software updated and disconnect the session when finished. If you experience lag or dropouts, check your in-net speed and local network settings to improve performance.
Conclusion: effortless cross-platform access.
With these free tools, accessing your Mac from a Windows PC is straightforward and secure. Whether using Chrome Remote Desktop or a VNC client, you can manage files, run applications, and help others without switching devices. Enjoy seamless cross-platform productivity with just a few simple steps.